Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we got a nice lineup for you all to check out. So stay tuned for that. But first we want to thank you all for all the comments, all the prayers, all the love that you have been sharing on this channel. Thank you. My wife feels much better. Also, we want to announce the winners of the giveaway of the Papy watch faces. And the first one is going to be Josh Smith. The second one is going to be Glenn Oberlin, and the third one is going to be Reed Cardwell. Make sure you hit me in my email. I'm going to leave the email in the description box, and you should see it going across the screen right now. And with that, we have another giveaway happening. Same developer giving away tons and tons of free watch faces to you guys. So make sure you give him a shout out. He's very generous to do so. And with that, let's go ahead. Let's get this review started. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. Today we got some nice watch faces for you to check out by Papy Watch. If you haven't checked out his lineup, you got to check out his lineup in the Gear Manager store. This guy does great work and he's been very generous to give away a bunch of coupon codes to you all. So when you get a chance, check them out. Now, the name of the watch face that we're reviewing right now is called PW37 Double Screen Sport. It's a 12/24-hour watch face in always on mode. It has a nice look, give you all your step info, digital time, exactly what you need to see at a glance. Now, when the watch face is on, you get the day at the top, the date, the month, and the year. Very nice look. And you also get your digital time with the PM stamp. Now, flanked on both sides of the time, you get shortcuts. They are interactive. Just simply tap on it and you can go into your settings. You can go into your music, which you know I love my music. You get the week we're in so far as the year and the day. We're 38 days in, and you also got where you can make a phone call. It is interactive. You can go in and get your weather, just single tap. You get info on all your step activities, heart rate, steps, calories burned. And if you look down at the bottom, you got your battery info, and that 94, that simply means how much of my goal that I have completed. And I can't believe that I did not make 20,000 today. We're gonna have to make it up tomorrow. Now, what I like about the watch face most of all is that you can customize the color, double tap, and you can change it to so many different colors. I'm gonna double tap up here to whatever color you like, whatever combination you want to change it to. Same thing with the background of the time, double tap, and you can change it. So I thought this was definitely a good look, worthy of checking out in the Gear Manager store. Of course, comment so you can be eligible to win a free watch face. With that being said, let's check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2. Now, I like watch face number 2. It's pretty nice. It's different from number 1. The name of the watch face is called PW37. Now, the layout is a little bit different than that of number 1. It has its own look. So up at the top, you're going to get your digital time, animated seconds. You're going to get a PM stamp. You're also going to get your day, your month. And I'm liking the look because everything is pretty much legible. You got your shortcuts flanked on both sides. You can get your weather. You can also get your music. You can also get your calendar, and you can also go into your settings if need be. Now, if you come down, you get your step information as well as your heart rate and your calories burned. And I like the fact that it's legible and everything is pretty much all in one place. And then you go right up under it. I like that he gave you all the important shortcuts that most people will use on their smartphone. You get contacts, you can make a phone call, text message, and your email. Everything you would use if you had your smartphone on you. So what I like also at the bottom, you get your battery info and you get info on how much of your step goal you have completed. And right up under those two, you're going to get what day of the week it is. Also, if I double tap right up top, I can change it to red. So if you like red, you're good. Me, I like the black look. We already got red so far as the time is concerned. I'm liking black. Which one you like? Last but not least, number 3. This one is called PW39 Gear Sport. Very nice look. I really like the layout of this. Looks quite different from the 2 before it. Now, in always on mode, you're pretty much going to get all the info you can ever need. Digital time, info on battery, steps, heart rate, things of that nature. And when the watch face is cut on, here's where the fun starts to kick in for this watch face. Again, I like the layout. Now, if you look up at the top, you're going to get your day, your date. You also get what day it is right up under that, and it's highlighted in red so you can see and know actually what day it is. So I like that right up under you get your digital time. You also get your readout on your information for your battery and your goal completed. Also, you get legible information on your steps, calories burned, miles walked or ran. On the left side of that, you're going to get info on, again, your goal and digital numbers and your battery info as well. Okay, but if you look right here, you can see where it says weather. If you type precise, you can get your weather info. Same thing with your music player. Same thing over here with your schedule and your settings. So I thought that was a good look. And here go your heart rate info right there. So I thought this guy did a real good job giving us exactly what we needed in a watch face where we don't have to go into our smartphones. Now, you can also customize the color. Double tap on the side and you can change the color to whatever you want it to be. Green, red, blue. Same thing up at the top. Just cycle through the different colors that you may like. Different combinations, you can customize this too, which I thought was pretty cool. Just keep cycling till you get to where you want to be. I'm on low sale. And I thought he did a real good job with this watch face. What do you think? Alright, you all, make sure you hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts. And we'll be picking the winner for this one soon. Alright, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you can, share the video with somebody. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.